Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this super cute video I made yesterday where I made these super cute kawaii cupcakes that when I tried to ice them, they didn't really work out. So I hope you enjoy. Anyway, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, let's get started. So, we are going to use this cookbook and we are going to make some pastel-y cupcakes. So yeah, so we're going to get our ingredients. They call them mini egg cupcakes in this book. See? But they kind of look like little unicorn cupcakes, so we're gonna make tiny unicorn cupcakes. Yeah, sure. Alright, let me get the ingredients in 3, 2, 1. So I have the ingredients. So it says to preheat the oven to 350. Bake. 350. Start. We have acquired the cupcake thingies from the neighbor. Let's get started. Eggs, 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 eggs. Lemon! So now I have added the baking soda and no, I did not add baking soda. Do not add baking soda, that is bad idea. Okay. I added the flour, baking powder, and salt, and now I must whisk them. Whisk, 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 whisk. And now it says to beat the butter and granulated sugar in a large bowl with the mixer on medium-high speed until fluffy. And now we beat the butter and sugar with a super old mixer. And this is all I have, so yeah. Now it says to add the lemon zest. And now we must zest the lemon. Yeah. Zesty, zesty. Make sure there's no stickers on it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this off camera. Adding the Eggos. And then it asks for another egg yolk. So let me figure out how to do that. Here we go. It's so beautiful. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That was really bad. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So then I went ahead and mixed the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix those together. And then I scooped them into their little cupcake holders. Yep. Boop. Ba-doo. 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 Into the oven they go. Do, 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 do. Baking intermission dance. Do, 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 da, 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 da. What? 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 You want me to feed you? Wow. Show me where it goes. Come on, let's go. Show me where it goes. Show me where it goes. Let's go. Come on. Show me where it goes. Ba-bi-da-bi-ba. Ba-dee-ba-dee-ba. Ba-doo-ba-da-ba. There you go. I'm gonna take the dirty one. And now we let them cool for 10 minutes because they're all done baking. So I know the recipe book, are supposed to look like mini pastel Easter eggs. But I'm going to go ahead and dye this a pastel-y pinkish purple so it makes more like unicorn cupcakes. So yeah. So this is the part in the video when it all went to sadness because I tried to ice the cupcakes and the first tip I used, the icing wasn't thick enough. And then the second one I used, I didn't like how it looked. So, yeah. But, I don't know, they still tasted good. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Today's video was kind of a fail, and I kind of had a mental breakdown in the middle of it. But anyways, I love you guys. Look at the food coloring on my hand. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe for hopefully much better baking videos. I love you guys. And more fun kawaii nonsense. Bye!